lot of people come to us who are non-native English speakers, and they've been living in the UK for 5, 10, 15 years. They feel that this is their home, and it is their home. And yet, because they've got an accent, people's first question when they meet them is, where are you from? One of the things we want to work on with our clients is it's not about getting rid of your accent. It's about being able to own the language and use it with mastery so that people don't think, where are you from? They think, oh, you're really interesting, let's chat about X, Y, Z. So there are some ways to do that. Firstly, in terms of the accent, if there are some glitches, so by this I mean certain sounds that are really getting in the way or leading to confusion for the listener, mispronunciation, then it is important to sort those out. And the best way to do that is to get a coach who can notify you of those glitches and then give you some tools to get to the neutral sound. There are lots of other sounds that won't be glitches, they'll just be an accent, and that is lovely. There's no need, some people want to, but there is no actual need to get rid of an accent. Accents are lovely, they have our identity or hold our identity, and that's great. So once we've got rid of the big glitches, the next priority is to start to look at the melody and the intonation of speech. And differently from other languages, English is really well balanced, it's very efficient. So you have some words that are important, that hold the weight of the meaning of the idea, and some words that take a back seat. And for a non-native speaker, often what will happen is all words will be said equally and it will all be said quite quickly, and so it'll be rushed through. And there might be colour, but it will all be said equally. And so a big thing for a non-native speaker is to start to differentiate which are the important words, like I did with the word important, which are the meaningful words, which words do I want to bring out for my listener. And in doing that, suddenly you're taking on kind of the psychology of how this language, the English language, works. And people stop hearing the accent, they hear someone who's using it in the way it was meant to be used to be most effective. So that's a second tip. Thirdly, pauses. So pauses are really, really helpful just to give your listener time to process if there are any glitches, and there might be, and it's fine if there are some glitches. If you're talking too fast, then they're trying to figure out the glitch and you're already in that thought over there. So it's really important to what we call land your points, make those beats in what you're saying. Finally, without saying go on a course, because that's obviously going to give you the thorough knowledge you need, but my final tip for you is enjoy it. Like, communication is so wonderful and it's so about relating and connecting. And I feel that one of the risks of having an accent or even a fear or an insecurity about one's communication, so this can happen for every speaker, not just non-native, is that they turn inwards and things get quieter and more subdued and the energy is taken away. And the most important thing is to be able to share your feelings and your passions and your excitement about what you're saying. And if you do that without speaking too fast, if you're putting your energy in what you're saying, people will be there with you in what you're saying rather than, oh, accent, where are they from? So that's it, the short version, and good luck.